So guys, today we're gonna play Minecraft, guys, and I found this village and I found a blacksmith. And let's see what I've got. 3 diamonds. No way. I find diamonds and some obsidian. That's normal. Okay, found some stuff. Okay, gonna grab that bread. 2 breads. Okay. Thank you. Hello, yo, sir. Okay, actually, there's a lot of dangers actually over here. First, I have no place to sleep. Second, I don't know what to do because all the villagers are gonna be sleeping. We're gonna be dead. Okay. Wow, we got 1 emerald only for that. Okay, probably I should sleep. So we're gonna sleep first, guys, and so we're gonna wake up and explore more stuff. Okay, this is the worst chest that I ever found. In the village, in the desert village, I usually only see some. Wow. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your arrow. Okay, usually I only got 1 arrow. So, oh, holy moly. Okay, I'm gonna kill that. I'm gonna kill that zombie here. Come here. Come here, you zombie. Okay. Seriously. Okay, hello, Mr. Iron Golem. What should I do with this? What should I do with this, Mr. Iron Golem? Huh? Hello? Okay, guys, what should we do with this 3 diamond? Comment down below. And also subscribe and smash that like button. Okay, we got more arrows here. I think I have not enough food. I need to find more chests. Anybody? Yeah, we got a chest. Wow. Every desert village that I found always get bad loot. Okay, I hate this. Don't tell me there's a cartographer table. I need it. I need a cartography. I don't know how to say it. So, yeah. What's this? Ooh. I think this is sort of like a chamber or something. I think it's sort of like a chamber. And there's a smithing table with the chest. Okay, I got some iron again. And a shovel. Great. Now let's grab some bread. I need bread to live, okay? Who doesn't need bread to live in Minecraft? Comment down below who doesn't need bread to live in Minecraft. Except if you're creative. Okay. Next, we're gonna check this tall tower. And actually, what is the use of this tall tower? We're gonna go again. Okay, the chest is still oh, I found it. Okay, in the desert you'll always get bad stuff. I don't know why, and I don't know why Notch gave us if you at the desert temple you always get bad loot. Okay, we got the library, and this, of course, the library and farm. I need the blacksmith. Anybody have a blacksmith here? Okay, probably they say no. Because, actually, but the strange thing is, actually, I found a blacksmith place, but I never see a blacksmith over here. I need chest. Anybody have a chest? Oh, no. Wait, let me check in the blacksmith. Hello, blacksmith. Okay, I found it. I think that's iron. Never mind. Thank you, sir. I think I want boots. I'm gonna put this. Okay. You guys are dating or something? Or breeding. Okay, composter. What should we do with this? Ooh, poisonous potato. I'm gonna compost it. I have no idea what a composter does, so yeah. I'm gonna throw it to lava. Yes, I should throw it to lava. I got the lava here next. Not too close to lava because I almost fall to that lava. Yay! Hello, baby! Farmer or whatsoever. We have a grindstone. So guys, next time, for the next episode is we're gonna live in this village and see what other new stuff over here, and maybe we'll go to Nether if I have enough obsidian. So guys, if you want to watch more, please subscribe to my channel and also ring that notification bell to get notified with new videos, and then also please subscribe. And I'm out. Bye.